Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to create Sun Wukong in Xenoverse 2. First, you'll want to select the Saiyan race for your character, as it provides the most fitting base for his transformations. Make sure to choose a male character to accurately represent his iconic look. Pay close attention to the physical attributes to ensure a strong and heroic build. Next, let's focus on his appearance. For hair, choose a spiky, black style that resembles his classic look. His primary outfit should be a vibrant red or orange gi, reflecting his traditional attire. If the game offers a power pole accessory, definitely equip it to complete his signature style. Now, for his battle style. You'll want to equip a mix of powerful strike and Kai blast skills to mimic his versatile fighting. Don't forget to include a transformation, such as Super Saiyan, to capture his power-up moments. Select a Super Soul that enhances your attack power, making him a formidable opponent. Finally, let's refine your Sun Wukong. Prioritize investing your attribute points into basic attack and Kai stats to maximize his damage output. Practice his unique combos and special moves to become proficient in battle. Embrace an aggressive and fearless playstyle, just like the legendary Monkey King himself, to truly master your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.